Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you the best Chat GPT copywriting prompts. Okay, so any effective marketing plan must include copywriting, but it can be difficult to write text that genuinely connect with your target audience and influence them to take action. Here comes ChatGPT to the rescue. Businesses may write individualized and incredibly powerful marketing messages that appeal directly to the demands and pain areas of their target customer or consumer persona by using the ChatGPT copywriting prompts. So now I am going to show you the procedure. So let's just say I'll ask ChatGPT about this. Can you give me a list of well-known sales and marketing copywriting frameworks such as situation, need, agitate, solve, etc. that you are capable of writing in? Actually, you can copy this one or you can make your own way or you can type your own way. You can also, can you give me a list of well-known sales and marketing copywriting frameworks such as, other method or other style. So once you're done with this, all you have to do is to press this arrow button and ChatGPT will give you or will provide you some well-known sales and marketing copywriting frameworks that you can use. We have here AIDA, PAS, FAB, 4Ps, PSTOR, APP, PPPP, before, after bridge, star, and 7Ps. So actually, these are the well-known marketing copywriting frameworks that you can use. So all you have to do now, once you selected the one that is suited for you or the one that you can use for your business or sales or your website. So let's just say you are going to use the method or style of this AIDA. So all you have to do is to type this one. Could you write me a 500 word AIDA for my business page? The target audience are businessmen looking for investment opportunities in Asia. Okay, this is just an example. You can ask anything. Okay, this is just a tutorial. So as you can see, ChatGPT provided the answer already, and he used the style of AIDA. So A, attention, discover lucrative investment. Are you a savvy businessman? So on. For I, we have here interest. Okay, ChatGPT also provided one. Uncover Asia's lucrative investment landscape. Also for D, desire. So we have here unlock your profit potential with expert guidance. And last, we have here A for action, which is start investing in Asia today. See that? How awesome this ChatGPT is. And all you have to do is to copy this one and paste it on your social media platform, your website, or your page, something like that. Now, if you wanted to do other style, let's just say you want to do it in this way, okay, all you have to do is to just type, please do it again, but could you do it on a, let's just say, I'm going to pick one here. Okay, let's just say PAS style, okay, on A or on PAS style. So you just have to tap enter, and as you can see, ChatGPT provided again. Certainly, here's a 500 word copy for your business page using the PAS way or framework. So we have your problem. Okay, problem. So we have your, are you missing out on or missing out on a lucrative investment? Okay. A for agitate. Okay, we have here don't let, so on and so forth. And for the S, we have here solve. Unlock Asia's lucrative investment landscape with your business name here. You can put it right here. So that's it. Now, if you want another style, again, another framework, another way of copywriting, you can just say, can you do it again, but on a this style? Can you do it again, but using this FAB style, something like that. So all you have to do is to just really do it one by one, and ChatGPT will be the one to provide it for you. Okay. So let's just say I'm doing this one now. Okay. Now do it again, but or do the same, but on a, let's just say I'm going to pick another PPP format, something like that. So once you enter that, ChatGPT will provide you the answer with that same format. Okay, we have your picture. Okay, envision, picture yourself as something like that. Promise, maximize your investment potential. And then we have here another P for proof, experience and matched. And then we have here the last one, which is the push. Okay, seize the moment, something like that. And you can do it again and again. Okay, just do the same thing, do the same process, and you can get or you can have this best ChatGPT copywriting prompts. As easy as that. I do really hope that this video helped you. And thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.